Alright, so today, or right now anyways, I'm just getting all my radio presets on. Fucking, haven't put any of my crap into the car yet. I was hoping to figure out a way to disable the daytime running lights, but I couldn't figure out a way to do it myself. And when I went to a shop and asked them, it was like, hey, do you guys have any idea? They were like flat out, no, we're not doing that. That's illegal. And apparently in this shithole Nova Scotia, if you don't have your headlights on during the day, there's actually a ticket for it. What kind of bullshit is that? And now I'm going to try and get rid of these armrests so I can have an actual proper bench seat. And if you're thinking that's stupid, you're going to break your neck, look at this. I'm going to break my neck anyways. I might as well get rid of these stupid things so I can use the fucking seat properly. Trying to install my CB, and the cable doesn't fucking go far enough. So I'm going to have to use my old antenna and I just discovered a problem with the old antenna. So I'm just going to leave them both on and just wait for it to break off, because I don't really care about dealing with it at this point. Alright, so I've stripped everything out of the Trans Am except there's still a jerry can in the back, but I don't have keys, so I can't grab that right now. But everything else I've taken out of my little box of goodies, and I've thrown into this car. And now I'm gonna go outside where there's a bit more light and try to hook up all my electrical crap. The car actually came with a police box out of a squad car, and I'm thinking I might put it back in just so I can have all this shit in here without it flying around. Fuck, that thing's whippy. I know it's a bit nice to have both fucking antennas on, kind of makes it look like a cop cruiser if it wasn't complete shit. But at this point, particularly considering I do intend to use this car for my Project Ricer show, I'm not all that bothered.